you guys. So today's video is a little different than anything I've ever done before on my channel. My 13-year-old daughter, yes, I have a 13-year-old daughter, is going to do my voiceover today. Say hi, Squish.
Hello.
I decided to do a look that's a little out of the box for me and not something I would typically bust out because she doesn't really watch makeup videos. I mean, she loves glam and gore and made you look, but that's kind of it. I'm excited to see how this goes. But anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you stick around and subscribe if you are not. Check the down bar for links to all my social media platforms. And be nice, Squish. I know where you live.
Hi guys. Ooh, poof, eyebrows are done. Okay, so we're going to be taking the blood sugar palette and running that all over our eyelids. Okay, so we have this really fluffy brush that looks like it's not doing anything at all. It's just making your eyelids look really dark. And oh, now there's pink. That's fast. Okay, so the pink is going to be really dark, I guess. And like, she keeps on putting it on, packing it on. She looks like a cake right now. So we got a blackish brush, now we got a thinner brush. This is going by really fast. I don't know where this is going. It looks like it's getting really lightish colory, I guess. And now there's a darker, ooh, big poofy poof. Yay, that's fun. Okay, so we're gonna make it a little orangey, I guess. A little orangey. I don't know what this color is. Okay, so you can move things with your mind now. I did not know that. Oh, that's glue. Sticky. And we're putting glitter on it now. I don't think glitter is supposed to be on your eyelids. I think that's supposed to be on a school project. Oh, eyelashes. How fun. And now we're doing something underneath our eyes and dabbing it with a cheese block. That's fun. Okay, now we have this foundation stuff. I think that's what you call it. And now we're doing a very flat, pushy brush, I guess. And so we're rubbing that all over our face, and this is going somewhere. I don't know where, but it's going somewhere. So this doesn't really match your skin tone, sorry honey, but like, you're doing something with a big stick and making it look like you're smudging dirt all over your face. Okay, and you blend that dirt into your face, making it look like your cheeks are razor sharp edges to a rock. And we're back at it again with the cheese grater, and now we have a brush that we're sticking up our nose. Listen, you better clean that brush when you're done with it. Oh, cheese block again. Now we're putting lipstick on our face that's the color of someone's skin. And cheese block, that's going everywhere. And then more lipstick, more lipstick, more lipstick, and cheese block. Okay, and we're, I guess, blending this in and, like, opening our mouth. And it's going down our nose and on our forehead, looking like we just fell in a puddle of human flesh. Okay, and we're back at it again with this. Oh, what is this? What is this? And you stick your tongue out? That's not very family friendly. You open your mouth up way too much. This is weird. I don't want to see the inside of your mouth this entire time. Okay, all over your nose, and we're having up to the moon. And we're blending this onto our cheeks and onto our cheeks. Pinky, I think. It's a little pinkish or brown. I don't know the color of it. How am I supposed to know this? Okay, onto our nose and a big shiny thing and a pink. I don't know. It's a sponge, I guess. And now you look like a ghost, making your cheeks look like a ghost possessed them. I don't want you to be complaining if you look like Flashback Mary at the end of this. Sorry to be mean. I know you know where I live. Okay, and we're going onto our forehead and making it all white and fluffy, and now blending that with a brush. Brushes are supposed to be bristly, not for liquids. I'm sorry, honey. And now it's brownish, and is that eyeliner or is it another brush? I don't know what this stuff is. I'm not a makeup artist. Why are you expecting me to know this? Okay, now we're dancing. We're dancing. Stop it. Okay. And we're putting more stuff under our eyes. It looks really pink. It looks like we kind of got pink eye. And then we're adding more and more. Did you add brow highlight? If you didn't, honey, do that. Okay, that was eyeliner. And we're doing mascara on the bottom. Love you too. And we're like putting this onto our cheeks. more razor sharp edges onto our cheekbones and now making our forehead look like that. Okay, we have this stuff onto our cheeks. It looks very brownish, and now this is pinkish. Is this highlighter? I'm not entirely sure, but if it is, I'm correct and you're not, honey. Thank you. Okay, our hair is up and we're spraying water on our face. Isn't that supposed to like mess up your makeup? I don't know why you're doing that. Oh, here's our lips. Our lippy lips. That's lippy. Okay, we're putting brown stuff onto our lips. Kylie Jenner, have you seen her? Okay, that's fun. Okay, so we're looking better. It's matching our face a lot more and it's glossy. Look at me. I'm so pretty and quirky. Bye-bye.